Hello, guys. I hope you are fine. Today, I am going to show you one interesting tool which helps to learn tennis in a good way. Those who are learning socio assistant or social help, there is one tool called SOSU Crossword. If you log into learndanishlab.com, then you can navigate to SOSU Hub, and where you can find many options. Today, I'm showing you how to make your vocabulary, which are also called FAO, yeah, spell or layer FAO. Then you can click SOSU crossword. Now, if you go to the SOSU crossword, it has own progress bar, and there are only three levels now. And day by day, I'm putting more levels on it. The idea is when you go through the all SOSU Hub learning sections, there are different categories. If you go to the getting started, or if you go to the different topics here, when you learn, then you need to remember the five or. Then we can gonna practice this here. Let's start level one. So here you have to put the corresponding words here. This these three options to the left to right, and in the one option number two from up to down. So let's try to put first option here, verb et intermel. That means in foully, or that et intermel, that means to eat. You are taking food inside, eat like that. And for that we have one word, that is specia. That means to eat. Then if I go to number second option here, that is, you can see number two, medicinsk tablet. That means pills. In Danish, it called PILLE, pill. Then we have this option, number three, person på plejehjem. Okay, then the person who we take care of him or her, that is called the bebo in Danish. B O E, bebo. Then number four, what we have, it's ikke syg. That means he's not sick anymore. For example, he's healthy. It's okay now. Then this is ask. You got the idea, right? And let's navigate to another level, and it is a little one step up. So I will show the another uh, options also here. So number one, it has only left to right. So for the beginning level, I designed in such a way that you can easily practice that one. So in first option we have et rent. So what we do in the context of the play scenario, all care home scenario, how do you do that? And if you stuck and you don't know any idea, then you can click the hint option here. It started from B. You see, even you are you don't have any idea, then you can continue press hint there. We have got the VA. What could be? It's Goren. That means Vaska. Vaska. We give the bath to the bebo, right? We Vaska our hen. Okay. So in the second option, Rose till Vaska. What we are using to give the bath to the bebo? That's the point here. We use that. Of course, one thing we use water. That means when. And what could be the next? We don't know. Let's see. First word. First starts from the yes. Then what could be the possible thing? Could be save or shampoo. But we need only four letters, right? Could be save. Let me change my to Danish, right? Yeah, that's save. Then we go to the number three, and inte fisk. Ah, fisk, ikke fisk. Inte, that means in the Fauli war, inte means to take. Inte ren, like that. Inte mel, I eat, I drink, like that. Here, inte fisk, that means some liquid, right? Drink. If you need some hints here, tre, T-I-K-K, trek. Yeah, trek again. Yeah, trek again. So now you could see here we already finished three of them. So now we go for the four, right? Trek. Oh yes, we are in the scenario of the water or something like that, drinks, right? What could be four letters track? Of course, could be cola, but in our scenario, maybe water. That means pen, right? We finish this level again. That's good point, right? So in this scenario, you can even reset this game. Yeah. So you want to practice yourself first. Yeah. If you reset, it cleans off everything. So what we did here, this task, you can do on again, right? So save, right here, say, oh, my bad. Save and drag, and it was drag when. You see what, if you like to practice more and you want to train your muscles memory muscles, then you can reset that one. And let me go to the number three level. So in this scenario, we have up and down again, right? From left to right and up to down. Yes, let's see. This is the noun. It passapo and the Melkali. Okay, we take care of others with love, right? So in social context, this is you may not know this word, but it is too much useful word in the social education, right? So it starts from O. This means care, to take care, like paspo, but paspo is not pauliwo. So in Sunel sector, om so, om so, that means you take care of that. Then we start from two. Now starting who, then or what. If you start your shift, like what is shift, and what could be that? It is also, it is not particularly that Sunel's power, but moan. M-O-R-G. Oh, sorry. M-O-R. Let me clear this. T-E-N. Like Gumon, we used to say, right? Then number three, it is verb. It's bevesa pobenen. Noodle. What could be bevesa poben? To walk, right? Go, right? Yeah, go. Okay. And go. Yeah. And what is the last one? For up till. Okay. Faven for blue. Okay. What is the color of the blood? That means red, right? All. Oh. Let me put a hint here. Oh. So that's it. This is the crossword for the SOSU vocabulary in the beginner phase. So I'm developing more vocabulary on it so you practice yourself much more than this. Today, that's it. And if you really want to more practice lessons like this, exercises, then you should comment, I need more. Then I will have more energy to do that. Yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribe so I will produce more content like this. And remember to subscribe this channel, and also remember to follow this learndanishlab.com, so where you can get plenty of training material here. And you can have multiple frequently asked questions here related to the Danish, as well as the social assistant or helper site. So until then, I say goodbye to today, and remember to follow these videos. I think it is helpful to you. Thank you. Goodbye.